Okay, today I'm introducing you our new model autolensometer called Koala. And first is about the screen. It has 5.7-inch screen, but this one, it is touch screen. And also, as you can see, it has very sleek and also elegant design, only with 3.4 kilograms, so very light and portable and easy to carry around. And the good thing about this one is that it is very easy to upgrade. At the back, as you can see, it has a USB port. So what you need to do to upgrade, just plug the USB with the software you need. Then you can just upgrade the unit very easily. Okay. Here he also has a thermal printer here. And now let's turn the unit on to check out the latest functions in details. So just now I mentioned this one, it has touch screen. So just without any buttons, just touch. As you can see, it has a very user-friendly interface. So this is about the main setting menu. Now you can see it actually has 3 PD settings. For example, like the step value, like prism setting, PD settings, left and right eye settings, auto memory settings, UV and Blu-ray settings. Then you can go to next page. So like the wallpaper language and our printing. And then also here you can also customize your personal information. You can just touch here, so you can just put whatever you want to put, and then you can either just save it or exit. And here it has several functions. Over here, this one it is about the measurement mode, and this one it has 3 modes. Currently this is for the normal mode, which means you can test the single vision lens, bifocal lens, trifocal lens, etc. And then you just push it. So this one is for the progressive power lens. And then this one is for the auto mode, which means you can recognize the different types of lens available. So 3 modes for the measurement, and this one is for printing on left and right eye. This is for increment value, and for delete. That's it. Now let's just try to measure the spherical lens. So we'll just put it over here. And it just, once it is recognized value, so you can hear a beep sound, and then you can see the value over here. Then, so this is for the left eye, and then now we'll go to the right eye. There you go. So very fast, very easy. And then you can just click the printing function to print. Okay. So this is the value. And more than that, we have the UV and Blu-ray function available too. So you just touch the corner on the top to the left. Okay, now it's just okay. So now the icons for the UV Blu-ray test, and this is for the PD frame function. This is for save. So we just touch the UV and Blu-ray. So you can see it has the blue light barrier rate and also UV barrier rate. So my glass, the lens, it is anti-Blu-ray lens. So let's just see and how it goes. So this is the right lens. Now, as you can see, it reads the transmittance rate is about 40% for the anti-Blu-ray rate. So we go to the left. left. Now this is when the transmittance rate is about 26%. So now you can, it has all of the values you need for the blurry transmittance rate. Yeah. So now we can just go back to the main menu, and then you can just do any other test for the lens you want to test. And so this is pretty much about the Koala. So if you have any questions, just let us know.